In this video, we will show how to assemble a droplet generation setup. Start with your reservoirs. The side ports are for air, so connect them to some Tygon tubing. We recommend color coding so you can distinguish the oil and water reservoirs. Next, connect PTFE tubing through the top ports. For how to prepare this tubing, please see the reservoir kit video tutorials. Now take out your chip and note its pathing. The inlet which goes to the center is for water, while the one with the fork is for oil. Take out some male lure adapters. We'll need these to connect the PTFE tubing to the chip. Install them at the end of both sets of tubing and plug into the chip inlets. We'll also need a collection reservoir, so prepare some more tubing in a similar way. We do not need a tight seal on this reservoir, though we will need to seal the rest of our chip channel. Plug its unused outlet using the cap included with the chip. You may need to use this other microfluidic mount, which features a lid with a lock. Press down the button to unlock the lid. This mount uses lure reservoirs which connect directly to the chip. You may plug them into both outlets and inlets. Don't forget to plug the unused outlet. Here, we did that in advance. The top ports connect to Tygon tubing with an included adapter. You won't need any PTFE tubing with this setup. Whichever setup you end up using, mount it on the high-speed imaging system. Fix it in place with the microscope's clips. Connect the Tygon tubing to the pressure controller, and your setup is complete. For how to monitor droplet generation, please see its respective video.